Here's a video review cordless blower from Walmart. Let's see what it looks like. So that's the charger. Here's the battery. Well, I don't know what it means, but all kinds of colors. Okay, so it's 4 lights. It doesn't matter what kind of colors. 4 lights, it's 75 to 100% charge. So when you push it and it's red, orange, green and blue, it doesn't matter. As long as it's 4 colors, it means the battery came charged, at least in my case. Actually, it came with the 2 batteries. Wow. This one as well, fully charged. The attachment, you can go only one way. Click. If you want like more direct blow, here's another attachment. So the battery goes again on the one way. To remove it, to charge the battery, that's the charger. Right here, right that center. You plug in and goes on the wall. So if it's a green light, it means fully charged. If it's red light, it's charging. So in this case, again, like I tried before, all 4 lights, so it's 75 to 100%. Apparently it's 100%, so it's not charging. Okay, so it has 3 speeds. On, so right now it's like an ultimate test because we just rain stopped about 15 minutes ago. So let's see how it's gonna work on. So 1, 3. I say it's a pretty good tool for a small home. Even on a wet leaves, on a wet surface, it's still doing the job. So thank you for watching. If you're looking for something like that, I hope this video was useful for you.